Are you tired of renting and ready to own your own home? If so, do you choose a new home or a resale home? Well, buying a new home can be a smart investment and offer a variety of advantages over an older home. First, with a new home, you'll have the opportunity to customize the layout and finishes to your own taste. Whether you want an open floor plan or a certain type of countertop, a new home can give you that flexibility to make it your own. Number 2, new homes are typically more energy efficient, which will save you money in the long run on your utility bills. Older homes often come with quirks like separate dining room or kitchen and living areas, and not have an approach that most of us like for modern living. With a new home, you'll also have the peace of mind that it comes with a warranty on the home, the appliances, and its systems. And with new construction, you don't have to worry about costly repairs or renovations that you might encounter with an older home. Renovating a home can be a frustrating experience and requires that you know what you or your suppliers are doing. And then there's all the dust and chaos to deal with. So when you're ready to take the next step and invest in your future, consider buying a new home. With all the benefits it has to offer, this could be the best decision you've ever made. If you're in the market for a new home, I'd be happy to guide you through the process. I'm Joseph Go, a realtor on Vancouver Island. Let me be your go-to guy for real estate.